I make like an entrance.
Okay.
Hi, Sandy.
Okay.
Oh, you got shots for me? Shit.
So these are the shots I made for him. I'll let him open it in front of y'all, okay? Noel, come in.
Oh, you got shots for me?
Don't take two.
Ooh, where are... What the hell, dude? You stitched this?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I did it.
Dude, these are hot. So you got like the material like separately?
Yeah.
I can't wait to Dude, these are amazing though. What the hell?
Do you wanna wear those and see?
Yeah, guys, these are freaking amazing, amazing shots. What the hell? Feels like Goanese. There's a Goanese.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so good. I can't believe you stitched this.
The shots which I gifted Noel are gonna be the ones I'll be selling off on my Instagram page. If you haven't followed my business account yet, then I'll leave the link in the description. Go and make sure you follow me over there. I'll be making fresh clothes for everyone who orders according to their sizes, so order now. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day 2 in Goa, and we are going to North Goa. Noel is driving, and we are going to meet Megan, that's Noel's friend, and then one of my friend as well. Let's see, many of my friends are in North Goa, but I'm not sure if I'll be meeting all of them. And yeah, let's start the journey. So we reached North Goa. Where are we?
No, Porvorim. Porvorim.
It sounds like Pormona. No. So we are waiting for Megan in the car. She's gonna come, and then we are gonna head to Vagator. I am so bad at pronouncing these names, but like Vagator. And we're gonna meet Ernest. He's not picking up my call right now. His phone is switched off. I hope I manage to find him over there. We'll see how that goes. I had this small accident on the way. So I have motion sickness, but it wasn't because of that. I choked on my burp and I almost puked in the car, but then thank God we were waiting at the signal, so yeah, whatever. Gross story. So I'll see you all once Megan comes. Okay, bye. So we reached Vagator Beach, and Megan's over here, and,
ask her.
and Noel's vlogging, and we're gonna find Ernest on the beach because Ernest is not picking up the call. His phone is switched off, and we have to check which bar he works at and then go and see. If we do not find him, we'll just casually just roam on the beach, and the beach is so beautiful.
So that's the top view.
Megan
Okay, Megan is giving us a tour.
What a beautiful.
Okay, what is that?
That's the top view. We should go on top later.
Cool.
We should try. It's nice to know.
So we are at Pinakin Beach Cafe, and
Maybe. This is not.
She's practicing.
and the view is really beautiful from here. It's a really beautiful cafe with really nice and hippie kind of a vibe. That's the bar over there. The bartender is kind of cute.
Yes.
Thanks for this guy.
Thanks.
So you're gonna order something. He doesn't want to say love you, so he's like bye bye, dorta dorta.
Hi Melita, how's your Goa-ness going on?
It's going well. I'm enjoying a lot. Thanks to Noel. Bas.
So what have you done so far?
Did you just hijack my vlog? What I did so far, like yesterday, you would see what I did yesterday in my vlog. And what I did today was we woke up late and then we came to North Goa. We met Megan and then we are at Vagator Beach, which I already told you all. And we were supposed to meet Ernest, but Ernest is still not answering my phone.
Scam.
So we're just gonna chill here. So now we left the place we were at and we are going to the cross, which is over there. Megan is taking us over there. So let's go. We're gonna climb some rocks. We're gonna do some
Trekking.
trekking on the beach. Yo. Okay, so here's a little problem. We can't find a proper way to reach there. That's where we have to go. It is? Okay. Look at Megan. Oh my. Oh, so cute. So we can't really go there because there's a danger zone over here and there's no place to go there and we don't want to dirty our shoes as well, so I guess Megan, say hi. And we want to enjoy this beautiful view for some time before leaving from here. It's so beautiful here. So we are leaving from Vagator Beach, Vagator Beach, and we came across this beautiful, I guess it's a rave party setup. It looks so amazing. Wow, kudos to whoever did that. That's all I wanted to say. Now let's head on to the next location. Okay, so now we have reached Casa Playa to Ernest's bar. Hoping that he would be there. Let's see. We met Inacio as well. I'll show you all once we go inside. And now, yeah, we are like dead tired, and you can see we have like tanned a lot, but it's fun. It's kind of, I don't know. It's
Fun.
It's fun. Okay, so we'll show you the place. It looks beautiful from outside. It looks very posh and stuff. It's in Vagator itself.
Vagator.
It's on the hilltop view. So we'll go inside and I must show you a little bit of Casa Playa.
Later.
So we are at some guest. So we are at a restaurant in Vagator and I said it correct. No, Vagator. So we are in a restaurant in Vagator. plans changed and we ended up coming here, and we didn't go to Casa Playa where Ernest actually wasn't at shift anyway, so he's gonna come at 5. Yeah, we couldn't meet him. Such honest problems. So let's see if like we can meet him before leaving from North Goa. That's what I ordered. It's some chicken barbecue steak with white sauce, and they ordered fried rice. Such a scam. I thought it will come on a sizzler and everything, but okay. You gotta be happy with what you get. So we got done with eating food. We had lunch and everything. Now we are going to Funky Monkey. There's this friend of Noel who stays over there. So we're gonna meet that person, and we also met Ernest. Ernest is behind on the scooty, he's following us. Finally we met him somehow. So he's also coming to Funky Monkey, and then yeah, we'll like chill for some time, and then we'll leave for home.
No, it was that.
What's your name? Say loudly.
Ernest.
How late did you come?
No, I'm running late on duty. I need to go because if I don't go, then I'll have to work for Melita. She's got a bar or something like that.
Oh, in short, he's saying that I'm the reason why he'll be unemployed if he doesn't go today. See, he just said it in a sweeter way. That's so rude.
It's a habit. It's a habit.
Later that same evening.
Right now we are at Baga Beach. It was a very spontaneous plan we made, and there's like crazy party going on everywhere. There are shacks. Those are like beautiful, and we're gonna probably like have dinner or something, chill here for some time, and then we're gonna head back to Vagator maybe. Nothing is planned yet. We are like making spontaneous plans today on spot, and it's really fun so far. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Two hours later.
Right now we are at Curly's of Anjuna, and we took this Arab kind of sitting, and it's right next to the beach, like down there. People are sitting, and we are up here. It's crazy, crazy. So I got really tired that night and I couldn't do the outro, so I'm doing it right now. And also, if you haven't noticed already, I'm gonna upload twice a week for a few days because I couldn't upload when I was in Goa for a week. So I'm going to be uploading twice a week till the end of January at least, I guess, or till the first week of February. So if you like this video, make sure hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends. I was in Goa for 7 days, so a few more vlogs are gonna come out, and a collaboration video is also gonna be out. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye.